Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kashmira and I'm here with a brand new episode of water art. And in this video, I'm going to make this beautiful bottle. So let's start. To make this bottle, you will need a transparent bottle like this. You can take any shape, but it should be transparent. Then white acrylic color and sponge. I painted this bottle. This is 2 coats of white acrylic color. So if you are new and you want to know how exactly I painted it, then I'll provide the link in the description box and in I button. You can check it. I did it with sponge. So let's start the main part. थोड़ा white acrylic color लिया है मैंने, and then I'm going to mix it with green color. It's a light green color. I'm making it more lighter. It's a lighter shade of the light green. I'm starting with a lighter shade. And the brush here I'm using is flat brush number 4. We are done with the lighter shade. I just painted it randomly, and then I take the greenery shade as it is. इस शेड में मैंने white color mix नहीं किया है. Original shade. We're done with this also. I'm going for darker shade. This is very dark, so I'm mixing it with light green. ऑलरेडी हमने 2 शेड से लीव्स बना लिए हैं. दिस इज द थर्ड वन. You can use any number of shades. Just start from the lighter one. And it's not necessary to use a flat brush only. You can use normal brush also. I'm more comfortable in the flat brush, so I'm using it. But this can be done with a round brush too. It's just about strokes. The last shade is so it's done. Now I'm gonna cover the upper and the lower portion of the bottle with these shades. Same, starting with the light one, going to the darker one. Draw the leaves randomly on the bottle. We are almost done. This is the final look of this bottle without lights. With lights, looking like this. See, there is no need of perfection here. You can draw randomly. You can draw any shapes of these. I just choose the easiest one. So guys, try this. It's very easy and you can use it to decorate your space. And if you like this video, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. And press the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever I will upload any video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.